So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. And guys, welcome to another important video in which I will be discussing with you the most important topics that are relevant for our upcoming examination of RBI, SEBI and NABARD. Talking about the topics guys, the first important topic will be your Mangrove Alliance for Climate and the second topic will be your National Financial Reporting Authority. But before discussing the topic guys, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this very comprehensive guidebook that we have prepared for you. So guys, whenever you start with your examination preparation, the first question that comes to your mind will be उस एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में आप जानना चाहोगे कि व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, व्हिच डिपार्टमेंट्स यू विल बी सर्विंग, व्हाट विल बी योर हायरार्की, व्हाट विल बी योर सैलरी. दैट विल बी द फर्स्ट थिंग. व्हेन यू नो अबाउट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो सेकंड एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जिसमें हमारा बहुत ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट होता है आर द सोर्सेज. सो हियर व्हेन यू लुक एट दिस स्पेसिफिक गाइड बुक, इन द सेकंड चैप्टर you will be getting all the information about the examination pattern, the eligibility criteria, the previous year cutoffs of both phase 1 and phase 2 of the past 5 years, because this really helps you when you start preparing for the examination. And then you will be getting the detailed information about the sources that you need to prepare, the syllabus and the sources that you need to prepare for your examination. Along with that guys, not just about phase 1 and phase 2, you will also be getting information about the interview guidance also. Okay, that what are the sources or what are the strategies you should follow for your interview preparation. And if I talk about the other important thing, okay, you will also get a 6-step domination formula that how you could dominate this examination. So guys, this will really help in solving your time. जहां पे आप बहुत ज्यादा अपना टाइम वेस्ट करते हो, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा टाइम हमारा लगता है, तो आप इस टाइम को सेव कर सकते हो. विद इन दिस 30 पेजेस यू विल गेट ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू नीड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन. इट्स नॉट जस्ट फॉर आरबीआई. You will get the same guidebook for the NABARD examination and the same thing has been available for the SEBI aspirants also. Now comes a very important thing guys. You must be wondering that what you have to pay for it. You do not have to pay us even a single penny. आपको कुछ नहीं देना. You just have to do one thing. There is a link given in the description below of this video, ठीक है, which will give you the links of these 3 comprehensive guidebooks. You can download all of 3 and you can download any one of your choice also. These are absolutely free, ठीक है जी. And do let me know about the feedback of these guidebooks also. Now guys, let's talk about the first question. As I was discussing about the Mangrove Alliance for Climate, so it has been launched on the COP27, which is taking place at Egypt, that is in Sharm el Sheikh in Egypt. Now the thing is, this initiative has been launched by the United Arab Emirates in collaboration with which of the following country? The answer for that is option number C. Indonesia is the right answer here. The second question here is because its initiative is being launched by some specific countries. So I'm asking a question, which of the following country is not a partner country in the Mangrove Alliance for Climate Initiative? India, Czech Republic, Australia, Japan or Spain. So which among the following is not one of them? The answer will be option number B, Czech Republic. Now when I talk about this Mangrove Alliance for Climate, so simply it is talking about mangrove trees. ठीक है, मैंग्रोव ट्रीज की ही बात की जा रही है मैंग्रोव अलायंस फॉर क्लाइमेट में. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस इनिशिएटिव, it is launched by UAE and Indonesia and its partner countries are India, Australia, Japan, Spain and Sri Lanka. So these are the important things to remember here guys. जहां पे the things where mangrove is dominating, this is where the partner countries are also working. Now because it is being launched, the main purpose here is to spread the awareness about mangrove forests also. So in the climate change, mangrove forests are also playing a very prominent role here. This is what this awareness program, or this is what this Alliance for Climate will be working on, that is creating awareness about the mangroves, which is basically a nature based solution for climate change activities. तो environment को protect करना है, but this is specifically focusing on some specific thing, that is mangroves. ठीक है. When I talk about this thing here in terms of India, why India is working here? Because India again has a mangrove forest. When I talk about in the states of Bengal, coastal areas में India में भी mangrove forest काफी ज्यादा है, तो that's why this is again important for us. Now coming to the next question on the National Financial Reporting Authority. So recently guys, NFRA has published its audit policy or audit quality inspection guidelines. ठीक है. Now the question I'm asking you is, NFRA was established in which of the following year? In which year the National Financial Reporting Authority was established? The answer for that is it was established in the year 2018. Now when I talk about audit inspection guidelines, तो हुआ क्या है? The important thing is it is basically now working on the audit quality inspection. ठीक है. बेस्ड ऑन इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल अथॉरिटी, तो उसी चीज पे बेस के ऊपर NFRA इज वर्किंग ऑन द ऑडिट क्वालिटी इंस्पेक्शन फॉर विच इट हैज रिलीज सम गाइडलाइंस. ठीक है, दीज आर बेसिकली एनालिटिकल बेस्ड गाइडलाइंस व्हिच आर नॉट दैट मच इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अवर एग्जामिनेशन, बट फॉर अस NFRA itself is very very important. Coming to the next question, guys. So NFRA has been established under which of the following sections of the Companies Act of 2013. Now if you guys are preparing for PFRD examination or for SEBI examination, guys, these are kind of questions which are not only relevant just for paper 1, but it is also relevant for paper 2 as well as for your phase 2 examination also. Okay, that is which section Companies Act plays a very prominent role in the SEBI examination. So for the people who are preparing for SEBI examination or PFRDA, Companies Act में ये वाला पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट इज अ स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी हु इज लुकिंग एट द ऑडिटिंग सिस्टम ऑफ इंडिया, NFRA. That's why this thing is important for us. So if I talk about the answer here is that is option number D. NFRA has been set up under the 132 subsection 1 of the Companies Act of 2013. Now when I talk about NFRA, as I was discussing, it was set up on 2018. ठीक है, ऑडिट रेगुलेटर ऑफ इंडिया है, सेक्शन 132 के अंडर बना है. इट इज बीइंग चेयर्ड बाय डॉक्टर अजय भूषण Pandey. Now when I talk about the other important things, what are the key functions, because it is acting as a regulator of India. So what it done is it recommends accounting and auditing policies which needs to be adapted by the central government as well as by the companies. Then it will also monitor and it will also enforce the compliance of these accounting standards and auditing standards. Then the quality of service of the profession will also be worked under this specific. It is also working on it is also regulating the quality of services of the profession of this auditing system. So guys, basically if you have done about this thing, so in the previous question, in the previous examination, there was a question on Indian accounting standard. So those of you who are preparing for the SEBI examination, I have one thing to ask for you. You have to tell me which accounting standard India is basically following. India is following which among the following accounting standards. So that you have to tell me in the comment box. Indian accounting standard जो है वो किस चीज पे बेस्ड है और which accounting standards, how many accounting standards we are following. ठीक है, so let's see how many of you know the answer. So guys, this was all about your session of the day. If you have any kind of query, you could drop me an email at hello@edutap.co.in. You could also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all the latest updates, as well as you can also comment me about any topic if you want me to discuss in my upcoming video. And talking about COP27, guys, because the initiative is still going on, the conference is still going on. So when the conference will end, I will again be coming up with a specific session on COP27 also. Till then, if you want to have a call with us, you can also have a call with us on the number that is 81462-07241. I hope guys the lecture is fruitful for you. So keep learning hard, keep working hard, and wishing you all the best for your examination. Bye bye.